Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we would be looking at YEARN.finance, currently ranked at 149 with a market cap of about $209 million. We have a 24-hour volume for about $18.31 million. And today we would be looking at some very interesting price action right here for YEARN.finance. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Right, so we are on the chart right here for YEARN.finance, right, or YFI versus the USD Theta. We are on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And the first thing you always know that we love to do on the chart, right, is draw all our support and resistance levels. As we said, prices always move from level to level, and they respect their levels. And from our last video, we have been saying, right, that we should expect some sort of consolidation right here for YFI, and we have been seeing that consolidation, right? If you know, I haven't made a video on YFI over the last few days because we have just been consolidating, and I said so in my last video that we should expect some sort of consolidation right here at these support level of the $6,200 level. So we could see that consolidation continue over the weekend, right, and then we could see that huge push to the upside, as currently we are holding the support right here. And basically most of the time when prices are holding a support level or are very resilient at a support level, it means we could see a very huge move coming very soon, and probably most likely to the upside, right? Because if we check some of our indicators right here, as you can see, yeah, we are seeing that ring push to the upside and having some little divergences to the downside. So we could still see that consolidation continue over the weekend, and by next week we could see a push to the upside. But basically we are still bullish right here on YFI, right? So YFI could consolidate over the weekend, and then by next week we could see a breakout. If we look at the Z-score indicator also, you would see that the Z-score indicator is trending upwards, but currently we are ranging. So we could see that range happen over the weekend before we see that huge bullish price action to the upside. But currently we are holding this support, which means YFI is basically bullish, and so we could see a minimum push to this 6,700 level by next week when the breakout happen, which could be a 6.27% pump right there for YFI. And we would be monitoring this on the daily. So if you like the channel, you like the updates, so please do not forget to like, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.